half an hour, maximum 40 minutes we have. Okay. Oh, hi Vishnu. Congratulations. Guys, he was the only one who sent me his mark sheet upon personal chat. I was so happy. I was like, congratulations, Vishnu. I'm so proud of you. It's okay if you can't unmute. No worries, no worries.
Hello.
Yes, Gurpreet.
I'm audible.
Yes, Gurpreet, you're audible.
Yeah, so nice to meet you, first of all. It's a
Likewise.
great gesture from your side that you are taking a Zoom session free of cost and providing us the valuable, tips. And also, I will say that these sessions are actually, paid. I paid 100 rupees for a charter study webinar where they don't even allow us to speak. So, first
Okay.
of all, thank you so much for that.
No worries.
Yeah. I just said that currently I'm pursuing BCom from Delhi University, and my college is going to be over in May 2025.
Okay.
So, would you recommend me to start my articleship after my college, or should I begin now?
Is your college ready to give you NOC?
Not really. I have, spoken to my principal. Two or three of my friends who also became CA finalists have talked to principal, and principal do not allow us to give.
Understood. Okay, why don't you start your articleship after your college ends?
If I, start my articleship after my college, and then my attempt will be delayed by 6 months.
I know that, but
And I don't
I
want that.
I understand. But Gurpreet, as per ICAI, you cannot start your articleship before your college is over if they're not allowing you NOC.
Okay, so I am not. Okay, so you are saying that I am legally bound to do that.
Correct. Like I can give you a way out, but it's not going to work because suppose, okay, let's suppose you join an articleship firm by 30th April. Like 30th April is your joining date. Okay.
Yes.
And then you register yourself on 29th of May so that you meet that 1 month obligation. But as on 29th of May, you will still be a part of that college, correct?
Um, yes, I mean, yes, I was then taking my examination of 6 semesters. So yeah, basically yes.
See,
Okay, so
I'll tell
let's not
you.
confuse that. I'm going to start.
No, no, no. Understand one thing. The NOC form is basically that you're a part of the regular college. You have some hours of classes that you have to attend, correct? But since at the time of you joining the firm, the classes might not be there because you have your exams, correct?
Yes, 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 yes.
So I'm not sure that in that case, NOC will be a problem. Try contacting your college because, see, I will not recommend at all to start articleship without the guarantee that you will get NOC because it's not just about, okay, right, that on the ICAI portal, you have to submit your college details.
Yes.
And even on, like, even if when you're joining a Big Four or a Big Ten organization, even there you have to give your college details, okay? And they want your certificates also,
Okay.
like your graduation certificate.
Okay, so let's not complex this. I apologize from my side. I'm going to start my article after my college ends.
Yeah. Like I'm trying to help you out. Don't get irritated. I'm sorry. But it's I'm trying my help to help you out.
No, 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 it's okay. Thank you so much for that. Let's move on from that.
Got it.
Hi, Anshika. Thank you so much for your kind words earlier.
No worries, Vishnu. How are you? How was the feeling today?
I'm fine. Can we turn our cameras on? Is that okay?
Of course, I would love that.
Hello.
Hi.
Yeah, I was quite exhilarating. The thing is, we actually had IT training today, and so ma'am was in the middle of teaching some Excel or something. I don't remember. That's a funny. Uh, And then we saw the parks came out, and so we checked at that time. Yeah, it was quite interesting.
Great. So, how may I help you?
Oh no, I just came to see this
Oh, awesome. I love that.
updating.
Okay, so Mehak, Ruchika, Muskan, Pavitra, I did help you guys in the last one, right? We talked about your queries, correct?
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
हाँ तो अभी कोई और queries है तो बताओ.
Ma'am,
Yes, Pavitra.
ma'am, I'm pursuing second year of my BCom, ma'am, and I decided to discontinue my college, ma'am. So, in this case, should I put my details about college in resume and other things, ma'am?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Like, if the HR asks, don't lie. Tell them you dropped out.
Okay, ma'am.
But don't put that on the face of the CV. That's what I'm trying to tell you.
Yes. Yes, ma'am.
Awesome. Anybody else to share your experience when your results came out? What were you expecting? How were the results, and did they meet your expectations or not? Something like that.
हेलो अंशिका।
Hi, Ruchika.
एक्चुअली मेरे ना नेक्स्ट मंथ एग्जाम्स है, मतलब लाइक 8 अप्रैल से लेके 22 अप्रैल तक ऑलमोस्ट। और इवन इफ आई एम गेट सिलेक्टेड सो आई एम कंफ्यूज लाइक, अगर इवन इफ दे आस्क मी टू जॉइन, आई विल आस्क देम अबाउट फॉर लीव ऑफ 15 days like at the very beginning, like will they allow me? ये एग्जाम्स है लाइक।
See, even if it is just 15 days, they won't allow you leave because, as per the Big Four articleship contract that we get during the time of employment, उसमें clearly लिखा होता है that if we are a college student, we only get leaves on the day of the exam, but we don't get leaves for preparing the exams. Okay, so you might leave on the day of the exam, but not उसके अलावा.
Actually, I'm looking for articleship in Pune and I have my college in Nagpur. And I'm just left with my last semester. So I
You
just
can
want,
try one thing. Uh, Your joining date is always decided after the partner approval comes, okay? Like before that, they might ask you when can you join, okay? But actual May, your joining date is decided when the partner approval has come. So the HR contacts you, and at that time you can negotiate a joining date, okay? So
okay.
there won't be a problem, but as it is, you will need NOC because your results have to come out yet and you're not completely out of the college. Like,
Yeah.
understand one thing, you're out of the college when you've received your that degree diploma, that certificate of completion of the college.
Yes, I got you.
Yeah. Any other questions, guys?
हेलो दी।
Yes, Sakshi.
दी जैसे कि मैं अभी सेकंड ईयर कॉलेज में हूँ, लाइक अगर जैसे मैं नेक्स्ट मंथ से आर्टिकलशिप ज्वाइन कर लेती हूँ, इन केस ऑफ बिग फोर में बाई लकी चांस लग जाता है, तो वो मेरे को एग्जाम्स के लिए लीव अलाउ कर सकते हैं?
As I said, they will give you leave only on the day of the exam, and that too in the
यस
same
मैम,
day. But they will not
नो
give you,
प्रॉब्लम।
sorry.
ऑन द डेट ऑफ एग्जाम ही, मतलब जिस दिन मेरा पेपर होगा मैं सिर्फ उस दिन के ही लीव लूंगी?
हाँ हाँ, उस दिन मिलेगा. उस दिन में कोई प्रॉब्लम.
अच्छा, उस दिन के लिए अलाउ कर देंगे ना?
हम्म.
ओके ओके दी, बस ये और दी मैंने आपको थोड़ा सा अपना वो सीवी वगैरह भेजा था, आपने जो डॉक्यूमेंट्स डाल रखे हैं ना इसमें ना एचआर की ईमेल आईडीज नहीं लिखी हुई है, तो आप बस मेरे को बिग फोर्स की ईमेल आईडी सेंड कर दीजिएगा ताकि मैं उन्हें कल मेल करूं।
मैंने शायद सीए दीदी वाले ग्रुप पे डाला हुआ है, लिंक्डइन पर है। एक बार लिंक्डइन पर सर्च करना, मेरे प्रोफाइल में अंशिका जायसवाल एचआर आईडीज मिल जाएगी। पीडीएफ पीडीएफ है,
तो
2 पीडीएफ
इसमें
से मिल।
नहीं दीदी, मैंने वही सर्च करा था, इसमें एचआर ईमेल्स वाला जो कॉलम है ना वो ब्लैंक है, पता नहीं कि इसमें ईमेल्स नहीं है। लिंक्डइन आईडीज है, सब कुछ है, प्लेस है, उनका नेम है, कंपनी है, बस ईमेल्स नहीं है उसमें। वही मैंने सबसे पहले वही चेक करा था, इसके बाद मैंने आपको मैसेज करा है।
को चेक करना तो एक सेकंड।
हाँ, एक बार आप
इट
प्लीज
इज द
देख
फर्स्ट टाइम
लीजिए।
आई एम हियरिंग कि उसके अंदर मेल नहीं है, ऐसा हो सकता नहीं, मैंने पढ़ के डाला था डॉक्यूमेंट ऑनलाइन। सेक वाले में एचआर की मेल नहीं है। रुको।
जस्ट आपके सीवी रिव्यू के नीचे ही है, सीवी रिव्यू के नीचे एचआर ईमेल्स उसमें है।
नहीं, एक और भी है ना, मैंने कहा ना, मैंने 2 डाली थी बेसिकली। 2 पीडीएफ्स हैं साक्षी, एक के अंदर ना देर आर दी लिंक्डइन प्रोफाइल, एंड इन द अदर वन यू हैव द एचआर email IDs. I'll just share that post again on the group. Okay, you can go through that once. I'll share.
ओके मैम, एकदम लास्ट में है, मिल गया मेरे को, थैंक यू।
हाँ, एक आप।
दीदी ये अपडेटेड अपडेटेड ईमेल आईडीज है ये?
देखो, द थिंग इज कि एचआर में, बिग फोर्स में एम्प्लॉयज बहुत जल्दी छोड़ते हैं, सो इवन इफ यू अपडेटेड होगा, इसमें काफी ज्यादा भी इनएक्टिव होंगी।
ओके मैम। ओके जी, मतलब तो फिर जैसे मैं मेल पे करूंगी तो मैं अपने लोकेशन प्रेफरेंस भी इसमें मेंशन कर दूंगी कि लाइक मेरा कौन सा मेन है बाकी।
हाँ,
ओके।
सब्जेक्ट लाइन में आप सब कुछ लिख सकते हो, डोमेन भी और लोकेशन भी।
ओके, थैंक यू दीदी, बस ये मेन था।
नो वरीज। एनीबडी एल्स?
दीदी एक सवाल था कि इंटरनल ट्रांसफर पॉसिबल है विद इन केपीएमजी और बीएसआर एंड कोएलएलपी? क्योंकि मेरा उसमें ऑडिट असिस्टेंट प्रोफाइल में हुआ है, जैसा सितंबर में मेरी ज्वाइनिंग है, और मैं सोच रहा हूँ कि अगले साल Jan 26 का अटेम्प्ट दूँ। तो ऐसा हो सकता है कि 6-7 महीने करके फिर उसके बाद इंटरनली ट्रांसफर हो जाऊं, ऐसा कुछ होता है?
समझ नहीं आया अटेम्प्ट। एक सेकंड, पहले मिक्स मत करो। आर यू क्वालिफाइड सी इंटरमीडिएट?
नो नो नो, आई एम प्लानिंग टू गिव इंटरमीडिएट नेक्स्ट ईयर Jan 26.
ओके, देन व्हाट इज योर डाउट, व्हाट डू यू वांट टू डू?
And my doubt is I'll be joining in September 25 this year at DSR QLP. So my doubt is
As
if I give January 26 attempt, so after 6 to 7 months, will I able to transfer within the same firm for
no,
articleship?
अभी अभी सितंबर में यू आर ज्वाइनिंग, राइट? सो व्हाट इज योर जॉब
Yeah,
डेजिग्नेशन?
it is I think article, sorry, article, no, assurance assistant, audit assistant.
सो इट इज नॉट ऑफ सी आर्टिकलशिप, राइट? वो कुछ और चीज है।
Yeah, yeah. It's basically a campus placement.
Oh, got it, got it. No, you can't take a transfer. Like it will be a brownie point for you because when you've joined the organization, you would know the HRs, right? You would know the seniors also who can refer you, correct?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can't take a transfer because as it is, KPMG is different, BSR is different. पर
Okay.
HR सेम होता है. Okay, guys. Anybody else?
अम, दीदी ये क्या बोलते हैं, मॉर्निंग कॉलेज के लिए व्हाट फॉर्म डू आई हैव टू फिल लाइक फॉर?
There's only one form. There's form 112. उसके अंदर you have to mention your college details and the timings also that you have to attend your classes.
That's it, only form 112 signed by the principal, college principal.
Both college principal also and the CA under which you will be registered as an article trainee.
So if I get into Big Four, then that Big Four person, whoever it is, they should sign.
Your principal basically.
Yeah, okay.
Cool. Anybody else? These people have been awfully quiet. This Yatanshi, Raj. Guys, if you
मैम
have
अभी
yes, actually.
स्टार्टिंग पॉइंट के लिए तो डाउट क्लियर हो गया, बाकी अब हम जब अप्लाई करेंगे उसके बाद एनी डाउट आता तो आई विल मैसेज यू।
I'm sorry, I haven't conducted much sessions in the last months, but I was very busy. अभी थोड़ा सा time मिला है. And अभी भी I'm in the same office attire. I got late today. We had some training. It got extended. So I came at 9. I was like, shit भाई, session schedule किया हुआ था. And I just came. I didn't change. I was like, ऐसे start करेंगे कोई बात नहीं.
यस मैम, बिल्कुल आपको भी टाइम नहीं मिलता, आप भी स्टडी भी कर रहे हो और आर्टिकलशिप भी कर रहे हो। सैटरडे संडे तो जरूर कर लेना अभी, जब तक हम आर्टिकलशिप ज्वाइन करते हैं
Yeah,
तब
yeah.
तक।
No, actually, I made a commitment that since your results are out, I will be there with you at least शाम को, because when the results were announced even I was in a session, so I was like मैं क्या ही बोलूं, अभी मैं खुद बिजी हूँ बहुत.
यस मैम, वी कैन अंडरस्टैंड।
No worries. Yes, Ruchika, you wanted to say something?
I want to ask how to apply, how to search for vacancy on Big Four portal, मतलब नहीं, on companies portal.
Okay, I'll show you. Let me know whenever my screen is visible to you guys. एक तो ना ये वाला लैपटॉप थोड़ा सा स्लो है. Okay. Is my screen visible, guys?
Yes, it is.
फिर आप
ठीक
तुम्हारी
हुआ है
आवाज
अभी
सुनाई
बस।
नहीं दे रही. ओके ओके, ग्रेट ग्रेट ग्रेट. ये लैपटॉप थोड़ा सा स्लो है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा आपको करना पड़ेगा अकोमोडेट. भाई चल जा. Okay, visible?
Yes, it is.
Awesome. So simply Google careers at EY every to may take your password, it jobs, and if suppose you have searched a job, they will send you to ID. मुझे think this is how their home and to person. Guys, my screen is visible, correct?
Yeah, it's visible.
One area of experienced professionals, there's one area of students and entry level, right?
Yes.
You
Yes.
as CA articles will any careers portal website. Why? CA वाले हम हर अब देखो इसमें इसलिए ये सब कुछ मैंने सर्च करा हुआ है ऑलरेडी. EY में intern 1 for CA articleship. Okay. For Deloitte and PwC for KPW, it messes up a bit. रहे हैं. Scroll down, change this, go to second page. Find ऐसे ही करके थोड़ा बहुत ढूंढना पड़ता है. For Mumbai, 1-2 साल का एक्सपीरियंस होता है. They are consultants. Okay. It's not coming. Try right now. The vacancy they have it updated that we as employed public uses. Here vacancies are not reflecting. Seriously, I have no idea.
Fine, I got a rough idea.
I want to show you everything. Okay, on at particular location, okay. Like vacancy, okay. You see this requisition ID जिसका मैं रोना करती हूँ LinkedIn के ऊपर कि requisition ID, job ID शेयर किया करो जब. The job ID is a unique number associated with every vacancy which is posted on the requisition ID. And this is what you should. I have explained you this is the they expect of you. Now this is your key responsibility. Suppose they are wanting you to be proactive, they want you to be aware. They are telling you handling the day. You should be aware of these standards issued by ICAI and IIA. ये internal audit की एक See, this is the best thing that you can include in your CV. They're looking for people to sustain positive energy. Okay, all these things. This is what the careers portal is for. It is for knowing what the big fours are looking for in candidates. This gives you idea what to include in your CV. Okay, that's why I focus on the fact that go to the portal, search for the vacancies, understand what these companies are looking for, add that in your CV so as to stand out and so as to be like that. The HR must think that how does she know that I wanted all these details in her and in her application progress, and they should think that can we hire her today, we like that candidate so much. Okay, that's what the idea was basically to show you. But Ruchika, I feel that I've made it clear no how to search for the vacancy.
Yeah, you made it a lot clear. I'm really thankful to you because I was really searching for this since long. पर
It's
मुझे YouTube पे भी कहीं नहीं मिला. Thank
मैंने
you so
यूट्यूब पे
much.
वैसे एक शॉर्ट शेयर करा हुआ है, उसमें तो बल्कि इंटर्न वन की वैकेंसी आई भी थी. I'll forward that short on the group so that everybody can understand. I think वो
इसमें
शॉर्ट
आपने
में
अपनी
इसलिए किसी ने
यूट्यूब
देखा नहीं.
यूट्यूब वीडियो में भी बताया था।
कोई बात नहीं. Not everybody watches the videos. It's okay. I'll forward that on the group, Ruchika. एक बार ना उससे भी ट्राई करना. How the hell do we share? Oh,
Hi,
got
CA
it.
finalists.
हाँ जी, तो I've shared that on the groups, guys. एक बार खुद भी देख लेना how to navigate, and एक बार मतलब मुझे बता भी देना कि अगर इफेक्टिव है या नहीं. बट when you see a vacancy on the portal ना, note the job ID, share that job ID with the directors, partners, managers. Tell them that, sir, this is a vacancy, we want to apply here, can you please refer us? That is the correct way of applying. Okay. And suppose if you're seeking references from the execs are the CAs, who are like the entry level CAs, okay, or the assistant manager. दे माइट रेफर यू वाया द पोर्टल ओनली. जैसे मैंने आपको पोर्टल दिखाया ना अभी, तो ये फेस है ऑफ द पीपल हु आर नॉट इन ईवाई, basically the outsiders or probably the potential employees who want to join EY. But the current employees of EY, we have a separate portal जिस पर ऐसी ही vacancies आती हैं, but we have an option to refer. So what we do is we type the job ID, we click on refer a friend, and then we refer a friend. Okay, that's how we do. So if suppose you've already applied on that job ID using your portal, मेरे वाले portal पर reflect करेगा this person already exists on this job, hence cannot be referred. Or if somebody has referred you already in the past 6 months using the portal only, I will get a pop-up message that the person you are trying to refer is currently owned by another employee. All right. That's why referring becomes a big job in EY. Not just in EY, in all the big fours. Okay. Any other questions anybody has?
You said you can add what the job required in your CV, but as per my knowledge, they would only put the information which is true. You know,
Sorry,
if
sorry.
I
I
am,
didn't understand your question. Can you repeat?
you said कि जो जॉब की रिक्वायरमेंट है आप वो अपने सीवी में डाल दो, बट जहाँ तक मैंने सुना है कि सीवी में सिर्फ वही लिखना चाहिए जो आपने मतलब अचीव करा है आप में है स्किल.
तो फिर देखो, ओके, डज एनीबडी रिमेम्बर वहां पे कौन कौन से क्वालिटीज थे? मैंने पढ़ के भी बताया था. Let's see who was attentive when I was explaining that point. अरे सिर्फ क्वालिटीज पूछा है, स्किल्स नहीं पूछा, ओनली क्वालिटीज पूछा है. कोई बात नहीं. सो देयर वाज क्वालिटीज लाइक कोलैबोरेटिव, दिस एजाइल, ठीक है, पंक्चुअल, ये हर जगह पे ये क्वालिटीज होती होती हैं, ठीक है. उसके अलावा एनालिटिकल थिंकिंग, रिस्क एडवाइजरी ऑडिट में यू नीड एनालिटिकल थिंकिंग. ये सारी वहां पे जॉब रिक्वायरमेंट्स थी. अब आई एम नॉट सेइंग कि इसको डायरेक्टली लिख दो कि आई एम एजाइल, आई एम दिस, आई एम दैट. ऐसे नहीं लिखना. यू हैव टू शोकेस. अब वहां पे ये था कि मल्टीटास्किंग, it is one of the core things Big Fours look for. How will you showcase that? Suppose, Gurpreet, have you played any sports in like 11th, 12th?
Yeah, I played cricket at district level, under 14.
Great. What was the sport? Cricket?
Yes, yes.
Good. So suppose Gurpreet writes in his CV that I was like played at a district level, one so and so tournament. ठीक है, उसने ये सब कुछ लिखा. How do you think it is relevant to CA articleship? It is not. It has nothing to do with CA. It is his extra interest. But how do you think an HR or how do you think the HR or the interviewer is going to perceive it as? They're going to see it as multitasking. And that is exactly what they were looking for in the first place. They wanted a candidate who can multitask. And Gurpreet, by the way of his CV, is showcasing that during his 11th and 12th standard, a board class, he was still a part of cricket and it is a sport. It further reflects his dedication, discipline, and he was able to manage his board exams at such a young age. Hence, he has been a multitasker all along. And a person who can at such a young age can manage boards and can manage cricket at a district level can also manage multitasking at Big Four with such a mature age. As simple as that. देखो मैं ऐसे ही सीवी रिव्यू नहीं करती. इट्स बिकॉज आई हैव दैट काइंड ऑफ अ थिंकिंग. दैट्स व्हाई आई रिव्यू सीवीज. इट्स नॉट लाइक कि आई जस्ट टेल यू बेटा ये कर दो ये कर दो ये कर दो. देयर इज अ रीजन आई रिव्यू सीवीज बिकॉज आई टेल यू टू ऐड थिंग्स इवन इफ दे आर नॉट रिलेवेंट टू द सी आर्टिकलशिप बट दे आर गोइंग टू बी रिलेवेंट टू द बिग फोर्स. Because I have seen in the job description, which I tell you guys, read the job description, understand what they are wanting, and include that in ways nobody will expect in your CV. क्योंकि तुम्हें क्या लगता है कि वो तुमसे पूछेंगी नहीं हाउ विल यू मल्टीटास्क. सपोज गुरप्रीत द एचआर इज आस्किंग यू हाउ विल यू मल्टीटास्क. You can't just tell him that, sir, I can do it. I have full confidence in myself. No, you give him an example. You tell him, sir, in my CV, I've written that I was a part of the district cricket team. Okay, we won this and this medal. At that time, we were having our school board exams. I was still a part of the team. I never quit because I'm not a quitter. I was dedicated, I was disciplined, I managed everything. And I feel that I have the same capabilities that I had at that time. Since I could prove my results then, I have good scores in BCom and I'm a C aspirant also. I can prove the multitasking now also. That's how you tackle interviews, CV, and ensuring that your CV gets selected in the first place. Okay?
मैम दीदी अगर लाइक जैसे कोई ज्यादा एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज नहीं है देन
Then karo.
मैम दीदी आप कैसे कर सकते हैं? अब तो अप्लाई करना है आर्टिकलशिप के लिए.
कुछ तो करा होगा. मैं नहीं मान सकती कुछ भी नहीं करा तुमने पूरी लाइफ.
ओनली स्कूल लेवल नॉट एट लाइक समथिंग एल्स.
तो मैंने भाई मैं कॉलेज एक दिन भी गई हूँ ठीक है. मैंने फिर भी बहुत कुछ उसके डाला बिकॉज आई यूज टू पार्टिसिपेट इन अ लॉट ऑफ ICAI कॉम्पिटिशन्स. ओके यू टेक पार्ट इन ICAI कॉम्पिटिशन्स. अभी चाहे तुम्हारे पास एक दो दिन है ट्राई फॉरेज सर्टिफिकेशंस. ट्राई सम ऑनलाइन कॉम्पिटिशन्स जो DU कंडक्ट कराता है. एक कोई यहाँ पे था DU वाला उससे कोई बात करो क्या पता उससे कॉलेज में कुछ हो रहा हो. मेक कनेक्शंस कुछ ना कुछ करते रहो साथ साथ में.
I
दीदी
was the
फॉरेस्ट
one that
सर्टिफिकेशंस तो मैंने करा है.
क्या
आई डू फॉरेस्ट सर्टिफिकेशन तो करा है दीदी, कैरियर कैटलिस्ट का एंड PW ऑडिट सिमुलेशन वाला.
हाँ 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 सिम्युलेशन.
ये दो सर्टिफिकेट्स करे.
गुड गुड. नहीं बेटा और करो. फॉरेस्ट तो हर कोई कर रहा है मतलब इट्स नॉट अ नेगेटिव थिंग कि हर कोई कर रहा है. इट इज अ गुड थिंग. करना चाहिए ताकि यू हैव समथिंग टू टॉक अबाउट इन द CV एंड इन द इंटरव्यू. बट स्टिल ट्राई टू स्टैंड आउट फ्रॉम अदर्स. कुछ ना कुछ तो किया होगा साक्षी. कभी कभी मॉनिटर बना होगे प्रीफेक्ट बना होगा कोई स्पोर्ट खेला होगा कोई कॉम्पिटिशन पार्ट लिया होगा. डालो. Could you repeat the certification name? Forage, Forage. And Vishnu, don't worry. There's a video already which is being edited by my editor. That video is about your certifications and everything only, which you can add in your CV. You will get वहां पर भी, but the application name is Forage, Forage. If you don't get the application message, I share the
Okay,
link with you.
okay. Okay, Anshika, thank you.
Yes, गुरप्रीत आप कुछ बोल रहे थे.
I was saying that I was the one who is in DU.
हाँ तो गाइड करो साक्षी को. एक
मैम
दूसरे.
फॉरेस्ट सर्टिफिकेशन के लिए.
अरे बाबा DU के कॉम्पिटिशन्स के लिए.
ओ या यस प्लीज आप हेलो आपका नेम.
गुरप्रीत.
गुरप्रीत.
अरे यार मैसेज कर लेना व्हाट्सएप पे हाय गुरप्रीत साक्षी हियर प्लीज DM मी.
ओके मैम मैं पर्सनली मैसेज करके पूछ लूंगी.
नहीं कोई बात नहीं ब्रो तू ग्रुप पे कर ले इट्स ओके. आर देयर एनी
हेलो.
difficulties to get into Big Four for CDIT entry? No, not at all. Either I don't know what your name is but because वहाँ पे रियल मी आ रहा है but bro understand one thing. Even if you have done CA, even if you have started CA via the direct entry route, you are still a part of the CA fraternity. And it's not an easy way out. Trust me, direct entry route वाले बहुत pressure face करते हैं. So either way, you are a CA finalist if you've cleared CA intermediate. Doesn't matter which route you came from, but you will be treated the same. No worries. Actually, DM करने को कहा था, but okay.
She is doing message in everyone chat, not in private chat. I was also laughing.
इट्स ओके गुरप्रीत एक काम कर तू ना अपना नंबर लिख दे शील मैसेज यहाँ मत लिख रुक जा इन रिकॉर्डिंग है ऑन व्हाट्सएप टैग शील मैसेज यू पर्सनली
Fine.
yeah good if unless Gurpreet you want your number to get famous I don't mind you can write
There are only 10 participants here. I don't think I should get famous.
बाबा जी वीडियो ये रिकॉर्डिंग पर है या यूट्यूब पे जाएगा
Okay.
चलो जी
I think I should write them.
any other question guys anything you want to ask me literally anything but related to CA Big Four ये सब कुछ हे भगवान लोगों को शर्म ही नहीं है
Anshika, I have one question. I know I said earlier I didn't have any.
मेरे को आवाज नहीं
I You're an article trainee and you're studying for CA final and you're still managing to have a decent content creation platform on YouTube, LinkedIn. How do you manage all this?
sometimes I skip dinner sometimes I skip clothes changing that's how I manage
Oh,
no,
all right. Now, the
honestly
thing is, I do run a small blog on the side, but during intermediate studies, I was not able to manage it
got it
properly. So
no
I
but
just want to.
trust me it becomes difficult at some point of time but then you have to prioritize like it's like I don't record every day I don't post every day whenever I get the time I edit the videos I put it on YouTube draft if I get time for LinkedIn content I write the content I schedule it to the scheduled posts uh, I have a editor for YouTube I have like the editor is supposed to edit the videos, upload the videos. So I only have to record the videos. It's touchwood. It's something I appreciate a lot. Furthermore, regarding these sessions, these cannot happen without my face, right? So I try to fix a time when I know I can dedicate the time. So I try on weekends mostly, या फिर जब छुट्टी मिले. But since today was a commitment, so I generally I don't take sessions on weekdays, but since today the results were out, by hook or crook I had to.
All right. Thank you.
Yeah, but ultimately, see, it depends upon your family also. Like my mom, she called me around 9. I told her I have a session, I'll call you later. So it depends upon the family support also. I'll call her once this session is over.
Uh-huh. All right. And like you said, we have to prioritize, I guess.
Correct. Sample format for cover letter. Acha. She's asking cover letter. Okay. Guys, we have less than 1 minute. Anything else anybody wants to say? Okay, cool. It was great talking to you all. Congratulations once again. And if you have any further doubts, please feel free to message on WhatsApp. It may take some time for me to reply, but I'll definitely reply to all of you. And congratulations once again. All the best for your journey. Don't